In front of me is TCL 305i, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, just open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and get this free app from Flare Tool Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!